Does Irish language literature exist? Have you ever wondered about the stories and poems that have shaped Irish culture over the centuries? The answer is yes. Irish language literature not only exists but has a rich history that spans over 1,000 years. This literature includes a variety of works such as poetry, prose, religious texts, and mythological tales, all written in the Irish language. Irish literature is among the oldest vernacular literatures in Western Europe. Its origins can be traced back to early medieval times, with the earliest writings appearing around the 7th century. Many of these early works were created by monks and included religious texts, poetry, and stories steeped in mythology. This body of work is part of a unique Gaelic prose tradition that stands out in world literature. There are several major cycles of Irish language literature that have shaped its storytelling heritage. The mythological cycle features ancient tales of gods and supernatural beings. The Ulster cycle focuses on heroic figures like Cú Chulainn, while the Fenian cycle centers on the legendary warrior Fionn Mac Cumhaill and his band of warriors known as the Fianna. The historical cycle blends myth and history, showcasing figures such as Brian Boru, the High King of Ireland. These cycles include famous epics and stories like the Toyn Bo Cooling, which is considered the national epic of Ireland. Even though the use of the Irish language declined from the 17th century due to English influence and events like the Great Famine, Irish language literature continued to grow. The late 19th and early 20th centuries saw a Gaelic revival, which sparked a new wave of modern literature in Irish. This included poetry, short stories, plays, and memoirs. In the 20th century, notable Irish language authors emerged, particularly from areas where the Irish language remained strong, such as the Blasket Islands and Connemara. Writers like Mortain O'Cudde Cadden created influential works that captured Irish life and culture. His novel, Cú Chulainn, is often regarded as a masterpiece of modern Irish prose. For travelers in Ireland interested in culture, exploring Irish language literature offers a glimpse into the country's history, mythology, and contemporary identity. Many literary works are connected to specific regions, making visits to places like the Aran Islands or Connemara especially meaningful. Libraries, cultural centers, and festivals often feature Irish language literature, providing opportunities to experience this rich tradition firsthand. Irish language literature is a vibrant part of Ireland's cultural heritage, spanning from ancient epics to modern novels and poetry. It remains accessible and relevant to those looking to understand Irish culture today.